Today we're going to be sharing how to make this cauldron pumpkin. You're going to need some air dry clay. I used about half of this block, so about 1 pound of clay. Then you're just going to roll the clay out until it's about 1 inch thick and long enough to wrap around the top of your pumpkin. You're going to want to find one of these warty looking pumpkins, and then you'll wrap your air dry clay around the top, and you're going to want to press it in place so it wraps around the bumps on the pumpkin and stays secure. Then you'll cut off the extra piece and secure the two ends together and rub smooth so that you can't tell that there's a seam. Once your clay is completely dried, mine took about 24 hours, you'll start painting your pumpkin. So I painted around each of the bumps on the pumpkin and painted everything black. Painting around the bumps kind of gives it the illusion that your potion is bubbling out of your cauldron. I thought about trying to paint some on the rim of the cauldron, but I didn't think I would be able to make it look 3D enough, so I just left it as is.